Hey guys, this is Viper 6. Looks like my trailer arrived. This is the Stinger XL112. So let's get into this and see what's behind the curtain. So what you want to do is you want to feel for an area that's like there's nothing there, so you're not cutting into anything. You don't want to risk damaging anything while you're cutting. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's fully assembled. You literally have to put nothing together. Whichever size. They used to have smaller tires on them, but people were complaining. They said, well, we want the bigger tire and blah 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 and this and that, and so they decided to go with the 12-inch rim and these Carlisle tires. And for those that don't know, Carlisle tires are actually pretty good trailer tires. And the cool thing about these bearings is that they have a rubber cap on the end, and it's not like the old school bearings where you have to remove a cotter pin, unscrew it, pull out the bearing, clean it out, repack it, put it back in. This one has a zert that you just stick your grease gun to it, and you keep pumping grease until all the old stuff comes out and you see the new stuff. Then you clean it up and put the cap back on, and that's it. Super easy bearings to maintain, and they recommend doing it every 3,000 miles, which is no big deal, really. Let's continue cutting straps. Oh, they give you another strap here. Oh, they actually give you a tie-down strap. That's pretty cool. This is all the paperwork for the trailer. I was going to cut that other strap. Good thing I saw there's a ratchet here. This one holds it all together, so when you store it away, there's no risk of it trying to fold open. Even though it's locked in place in a lot of places. They actually bolted it to the pallet, so we'll have to remove those. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if this moves now. Okay, that moves. Let's see if we can get it off this pallet and move that out of the way. Careful not to pinch your fingers while you do it. And then when that's straight, you feed these two pins back in. To remove two more pins. They do recommend putting the chocks behind it so that it doesn't roll on you while you're pulling it open. So that's what it looks like when it's all pulled open. This is the ramp that is locked in place right now with this pin. It's got LED tail lights. It's got small LED turn signals in the back, and brake lights and side marker lights as well. This is pretty cool. I like this. In order for you to load a bike on it, you will have to have it hooked up to your truck so that it's nice and stable. And then there is a pin that goes here to secure it so it doesn't fold again. One thing I like is everything is very tight fitting, so that it's actually quite cool that way. So there's not going to be much loose stuff. Oh, that wheel we saw before, that goes here, so that you can actually roll it around, because it'll rest on that wheel and you can roll it around easy. Okay, so I managed to fold it over. It's a bit of effort, but not bad. Now we'll see if we can stand it up. Okay, I guess we need to put the ratchet strap on it so it doesn't fold open like that. Yeah, so far I like it. It's I thought it was gonna be a little on the thin side. No, it's actually quite beefy. And if you look at the XL, what they did is they made the rear tire track much wider to accommodate some of those newer, fatter rear tires on motorcycles. So that was a pretty good deal from them. I installed that rear tire. I mean rear tire. That wheel, and that's how easy it is to move this thing around. It's like super awesome. Oh. Okay, on the earlier models they had the fenders bolted on. These are welded on. And this is full powder coat coating, so it should be quite durable for a while, right? You ride your bike on it and you can actually, it'll hold it. Once it flips open, it'll hold it so that you can get off the bike and apply all the straps. You don't need two people, one to hold the bike and the other one to secure everything down. The thing I like about this system is, like I said, it's got the red button there, and it's not only a release. Not only does it release the strap, it also retracts it. You gotta love that. Yep, I love it. Awesome. Okay, over and out.